Hello guys. Finally showing my face. Good morning. I'm so hungry and my burrito's falling apart. That's okay. We still love things that fall apart. Oh my god. Cheese pull. Love breakfast burritos, you guys. I mean, I never was opposed to breakfast burritos, but I never made them regularly, and I just kind of forgot that you could have burritos for breakfast, so I love them. I recently included this in a previous video recently, a 5-minute, 5-ingredient breakfast. It's a great video, check it out right up here. And yeah, I'm gonna say bye because garbage truck's right there. Have a great, I'll see you at lunchtime. Whew, well, I just finished working out. That was awesome and awful at the same time. I'm going to, I think, make a protein smoothie bowl. It's been a very long time since I've had one, so I'm craving something kind of cold and chilly and fruity, so let's do it. You can do this with any fruit, any frozen fruit. I've seen a lot of people do this with raspberries, and I'm like, damn, why can't I ever find frozen raspberries anywhere? This totally hits the spot after a workout, especially with these warmer days coming around. I think I'm gonna be eating a lot more smoothie bowls after workouts. Hi guys, welcome to lunch. Okay, this is really cool. A local brand was very kind and generous enough to send me a whole bunch of stuff to try out. They make dips and spreads. These are quinoa based dips. And they are really, really delicious. I just filmed some short form content to go up on all my platforms, so you guys can check out more of this stuff on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube Shorts. That'll be up soon, but man, we're having a seriously deluxe snack board kind of lunch today. We've got some veggies and crackers, toast, and I've got some of these vegan cream cheeses. This stuff is so good. It's a onion and chive cream cheese, and oh man, this stuff is so good. This is probably the best vegan cream cheese I have ever tried. Specifically this flavor. They sent me 4, but the chive and onion, so good. They also sent me vegan caviar. I can't say that I've ever tried vegan caviar before this, or just any kind of caviar, like real caviar. So yeah, it's pretty good. It's kind of got this oceany, seaweedy, kelpy, salty taste, and I don't know, might not be for everyone, but if you're into that kind of fancy stuff, might be for you. Oh, and I forgot to mention, it's made with chia seeds. So yeah, that's lunch, and I'm already pretty full. I've eaten like so much dips, so many dips and spreads in the last 30 minutes, so I'm just gonna probably munch away throughout the afternoon, and yeah, I'll see you guys at dinner time. Hello and welcome to dinner. My friend Terry and I here are about to enjoy some delicious leftovers from last night. Oh, Terry, he's a true Canadian legend. Look him up if you don't know who he is. Terry Fox, yep, he's good people. Sadly no longer with us. But anyway, back to pasta. So I love pasta, so tonight I'm having leftovers from last night's dinner, which was an Instant Pot pasta. I actually made this in my last What I Eat in a Day video, so you can actually see how I made it in this video, but it's just so good that I made another batch, and it makes a lot, so we can eat it for usually like 2 dinners in a row, or dinner lunch. So yeah, it's got like kalamata, olives, mushrooms, add some zucchini in there, just a jar of pasta sauce, and like you just pretty much dump everything in the Instant Pot and walk away. So I love it. I'm not really that hungry because lunch was so filling, so I'm just having a pretty small bowl. If I was more hungry, I would probably, I don't know, maybe like cook up a bit of broccoli or some other steamed veggies, but I don't know, I'm just not very hungry, so this is it. I'm going to enjoy this and say good night to you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions about any of the meals I made today. And let me know if you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe below if you haven't already. And I look forward to seeing you guys in another video. Bye! Oh, God.
Nailed it.